welcome to Book Reading with Sammy. Today we are going to read My Soundbox by Jane Belk, Moncure. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, My Soundbox. Little I had a box. I will find things that begin with my I sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little I went skip, skip, skip up a hill. Hill has I in it. She found inchworms, lots of inchworms. The inchworms wiggled and wiggled. Can we count the inchworms? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inchworms. What wiggly inchworms, she said. Did she put the inchworms into her box? She did. Look how she is putting them in the box. Then little I found iguanas. Lots of iguanas. The iguanas wiggled and wiggled. How many iguanas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 iguanas. What wiggly iguanas, she said. She put the iguanas into the box with the inchworms. But the inchworms did not like the iguanas. The inchworms jumped out of the box. Oh no, they're going away. The iguanas jumped out too. Away they went. Little I could not find the inchworms or the iguanas. They were hiding. Can we find the iguanas and the inchworms? Look, there is one iguana hiding behind that plant. And there's one more here behind the bush. And there's one more inchworm here. She is still trying to find them. Then little I found an igloo. Do you know what an igloo is? It's a house made with ice blocks. Wow, that must be cold. Did she put the igloo into her box? She did. But I think it's too big to fit in the box. Just then the sun came out. Can you guess what happens? What happens when the sun comes out and the house is made of ice? The igloo melted. Can you see the water? Oh, now who will help me fill my box? She said. A friend came by. I will help you, he said. We can fill your box with insects. Insects start with I. First they found big green insects. Lots of big green insects. Next they found yellow insects and brown insects. Then they found red and black insects. So many insects. What else can we do? Said little I. We can make an insect zoo. You can visit it too. Look at so many different types of insects. There are yellow, brown, green, more green, red and black, and more red and black insects. And that's the end of the story. Do you remember what was the words that we used? We used igloo, inchworm, iguana, insects, and some other words that start with I are inch, ink, instruments, infant, invitation, and some words that start with a long I sound like ice, ice skates, island, ice cream, iron, and ivy. Bye. See you next time.